Hey there, I'm Corey Damen Jenkins, and welcome to the Kravet Woodbury Showroom. I'm so excited to give all of you a sneak peek into what I do as an interior designer behind the scenes. Let's go check it out. So the first step for me as an interior designer is selecting what I call an anchor fabric. It's like writing music, right? Composing something beautiful for the eyes. And so when you're coming up with a great theme, you need something that really sums up all the different motifs, all the different beats and nuances of that interior concept. And so for me, a signature fabric that has a lot of color and pattern, like this one right here, can really help tell the story or help me write the music for our clients. All right, so we've got our anchor fabric, which really is the tie that binds the entire concept together. And obviously, I'm looking for something that is going to complement this selection. So it's very important that we find a wall covering here that can speak to this vision. And I think this grass cloth here is a great choice. As you can see here, if you have a sofa upholstered in this particular fabric, and then you have this on the walls surrounding it, it's a nice balance in terms of color and vibe. My particular approach with design is to really work my way in and down. So by having my anchor fabric and a great selection of wall covering, I can now focus on the rug and then build my way back up. I want to pull in something that speaks more to this kind of blushy, almond color we have in the fabric, because we have that minty touch in the wall coverings already. I think that this choice here actually would be a really nice partner with this concept. So let's see if we can bring this down. And as you can see, it has a bit of the blues, a bit of the cranberry, a bit of the almond and blush and champagne colors that really speaks well to this palette. So when I'm designing for my clients, it's very important that I take into account their lifestyles. One of the many things I love about the Kravet brand is their versatility of selections when it comes to the performance fabric category. And as you can see behind me, there's no shortage of fabric patterns and textures, materialities here. For this particular space, I'm going to think about designing it from the angle of a family with children and dogs. And I need some selections here that can kind of balance out these more luxurious high-end fabrics with what I call workhorse fabrics, ones that kind of keep up with the needs of the family and the animals that inhabit the space. They can bring in some neutral elements, really just gives the eye a break. I'm really happy with this. Let's see how it all lays out together. I will tell you by way of disclaimer, this was done live. Literally, as you saw me put this together on camera, I was looking at these things for the very first time. So it shows the organic nature of interior design. This is what we do as professionals behind the scene. We have a vision in our head, but again, like composers who put together music, it starts with a theme, but we have to write the music, and that's done live in the showrooms here at Kravet. So thank you all so much for having me here at the Woodbury Kravet Showroom. I hope to see you all soon, and happy designing. Take care.